Hey Rosebuds! One of the roses that I'd like to share with you today is Gold and Great. Gold and Great is a Jalbert rose, black spot resistant. Let me see if it has a scent. Look at that. Not much of a scent that I'm detecting, but that could just be my nose. Let's see who we're next to over here. This is a David Austin Charlotte. Let me see if it has a scent. No, I'm not detecting much of a scent on Charlotte either, but this is a nice light, very light yellow. Reminds me of Vanessa Bell with the color, but they look pretty here with the Baptisia. All right, thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.